In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Made with Emergent badge. To get started, log into Emergent and head over to your account settings. This is where you'll find the controls related to your subscription and account level features. If you're trying to remove default branding, this is the right place to begin because the option depends on your current plan. Once you're in account settings, go to Manage Plan and upgrade to either a Pro or Enterprise subscription. That upgrade is important because removing the default Emergent branding is not typically available on lower tier plans. In other words, before anything else will work consistently, you need the correct subscription level enabled on your account. After upgrading, the platform unlocks the feature flag or permission that allows default branding to be removed. This is the key change happening behind the scenes. So if you've been trying to remove the badge without success, there's a good chance the issue is simply that the permission was not available yet. With that access in place, you can then prompt the AI to exclude the badge from your app. Be clear and direct in your instructions so the AI understands that the branding element should not be included in the generated output. This works well in many cases, especially for new generations or fresh updates. If the badge is still appearing in an existing app, the next step is to ask the AI agent to edit the layout directly and explicitly remove the container or footer div that holds the badge. This is useful when the branding has already been baked into the current structure of the app. Being specific here matters because a vague prompt may not remove the exact element responsible for displaying the badge. If automated prompting still keeps adding the watermark, then the most reliable option is to download the code. This gives you direct control over the project files, which is helpful when you want to make sure the branding is fully removed manually. From your project dashboard, close the Preview tab, click Code, and copy the access link and password provided there. Be careful with that information and keep it private since it gives access to your repository. Next, paste the link into a new browser tab, enter the password, and download your repository. Once you have the raw project files on your computer, you can manually delete the badge code from the project and deploy it yourself. That approach gives you the most control and is usually the best fallback if the badge continues to reappear through the platform's automated workflow. And that's how to remove the Made with Emergent badge.